Sheosaimh is Ms. Joanna and I'm a co-founder of Irish Socksciety, a Galway-based brand specialising in high-quality, sustainable, bilingual socks inspired by all things Irish, which is the Irish language, landscape, culture and humour. The two founders, myself and Alex, are originally from Poland and we fell in love with Ireland very, very deeply. And when we first came in here, we've noticed the Irish language being used randomly in different places in Galway City, and it was only natural for us to establish our business as a bilingual business. Irish language is present in every part of our business. We have it in our products, we have it on packaging, we use it in our emails, in our correspondence. We take Irish language classes for our whole team. We have a freelance employee here who helps us with services through Irish. Being a bilingual business opens a lot of opportunities for us, and one of them is collaborating with other like-minded businesses. So we love to invite other Irish businesses to collaborate with us, but we make sure that these businesses use Irish languages on a daily basis. So since last year we have collaborations with Fuckil, we work with Wild Atlantic Wigs and so many other businesses that share our passion for Irish. Bottom line is that we would like to encourage as many people as possible to be curious about Irish language and maybe try to learn it in a fun way. And because we do socks, we try to do it through the stockie. Many kids enjoy it so much that they can do their Ahéna Dó with Ria Cahar while dancing on their little feet. So that's our main goal, to bring some fun and quality to the language and curiosity about the language.